Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here to bring you a update on MATIC Network, a coin that's been absolutely exploding, a coin that we've been talking about for so long on this channel. Back when we were within this wedge, back when we were within this micro wedge here, we were talking about MATIC, talking about how if we break above this, we're likely to fly, and oh my god, have we flown. Folks, like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that bell icon to notify new uploads, because you want to stay tuned to the latest and greatest in crypto, because we were talking about MATIC possibly exploding all throughout these ranges here. Folks, MATIC has blown all my wildest expectations. I was saying, you know, we take the height of this wedge and we go to the breakout point and maybe we hit 8 cents in weeks and months from now. Folks, MATIC has absolutely blown past my wildest predictions. I'm even having a hard time doing TA on this. It's hard to do. What am I going to do TA on? It's a straight line up. We've had no retracement. I mean, we can kind of talk about pitchforks, but it's vastly surpassed it. Let's kind of... but here's the thing, folks. While it's hard to really do a lot of TA on this because it's a straight line up, I do think understanding what MATIC is it will be helpful to understand what it can do in the future. Because for those who don't know, MATIC is a second layer scaling solution for Ethereum. The gas fees, for anyone who's been trying to trade Ethereum, move around Ethereum, trade it with Ethereum on Uniswap, the gas fees are absolutely insane right now. And MATIC is trying to be a second layer scaling solution that will make Ethereum well, more scalable, doing so by running transactions on a side blockchain and then the Ethereum blockchain. Folks, MATIC is by far, well, I was going to say by far the leader in terms of second layer scaling solutions for Ethereum, but it's right up there with XDAI. So XDAI and MATIC are kind of doing some of very similar things. I personally own MATIC. I don't own any XDAI, but but folks, Ethereum is going to absolutely explode and kill it the next few months. And so MATIC being a second layer scaling solution for Ethereum is basically, as long as Ethereum continues to explode and does well, I think MATIC will continue to explode and do well. And I don't have the market cap pulled up, but I can guarantee you MATIC is by far a smaller market cap than Ethereum. Let's look it up here. So what's the market cap like? You know, it's 88, guys. Oof. Yeah, it's kind of a mid-capper, you know, just over 400 million, just under 500 million. Yeah, okay, it's a mid-capper for sure, but I still think MATIC has tons of room to go up, because as long as Ethereum goes up, I think MATIC is going to continue to go up. So, I mean, I don't know about buying it now, folks. I would personally want to wait for a dip, but who knows if we'll even get one. I mean, let's take a look at our indicators. I mean, everything's on bullish here for MATIC. Well, let's take a look at the daily just to begin. Daily, of course, of course, everything's super bullish, guys. Everything's going up 12. Okay, maybe, okay. Yeah, we're starting to see some signs of some weakness with bearish crossovers on the stochastic. Let's take a look at the 6. But then we have a bullish crossover on the stochastic on the 6 and bullish crossover on the weighted MACD on the 6. RSI is concerningly overbought, which is pretty predictable. 3 hours bullish. 1 hour is bullish. So guys, we're barely even starting to show signs of weakness, other than the fact that we're overbought on the RSI. Other than that, and we're like bearish crossovers on the stochastic kind of, but we're not getting a confluence of reasons. We're not getting different indicators pointing in the same bearish direction. I mean, I do think it's just a matter of time before MATIC cools off and has some kind of correction, but I mean, I don't know when that'll be. This is just a straight line up, folks. It's hard to do TA on this. But just I think kind of as a main takeaway here, MATIC is, you know, overbought. If we did have a pullback, I think that would kind of be a blessing, to be honest with you. You know, kind of 8 cents here would be where I would be looking to accumulate MATIC. You know, we had some peaks there before. If we fall back down to retest that and then go for that another leg up, that's what I would be looking out for. If we got that opportunity to accumulate MATIC at 8 cents, I would consider that a blessing, to be honest, because I think MATIC is just this is just the beginning with MATIC, in my opinion, folks. You know, as Ethereum continues to get the system gets to get more clogged up and the transaction times take longer and the gas fees take longer, things like MATIC and XDAI, second layer scaling solutions for Ethereum, are just going to look more and more attractive. So I think this is just, while I would be very wary about buying into MATIC right now, because it's been completely exploding. I would want to personally wait for a pullback. I honestly don't know when that pullback will be, but if we get one, that's where I would be looking. Again, within these ranges is where we start to see volume build up. So, you know, if we get MATIC between 8 cents and 7 cents, that's where I would be looking to accumulate MATIC personally. And yeah, folks, you know, I don't really have a long-term price prediction for MATIC, other than the fact that MATIC is kind of very tied to Ethereum. As long as Ethereum continues to explode, I think MATIC would continue to explode. And in terms of like a long-term plan to scale out with MATIC, because I do think holding good coins for long-term is probably the best strategy. I would wait to see until Ethereum reaches its peak, and once it does, that's when I would sell out MATIC. So I think Bitcoin is likely to reach its peak roughly around September, October this year. I think Ethereum and the altcoins are likely to reach their peak roughly a month after Bitcoin. So that, hey, that's when I would be looking to scale out of MATIC. But look, you could even scale out of MATIC, you know, late summer, beginning of fall, just as you know, sell a little bit before when the bull run is supposed to end. I'm chuckling, folks, because I'm looking at MATIC right now, and we're breaking out bullishly again. Again, we're breaking out bullishly. Look at this. You know, we're kind of forming this wedge kind of thing, kind of bull flag scenario, and we're breaking out bullishly again. Look, this is a bull flag. Will our next impulse take us to 10 cents? I mean, it's definitely possible. And again, folks, I mean, just be wary. I think this is likely to continue to pumping. I think it would make a lot of sense for MATIC to have a correction at some point. I don't know when that correction will be. Will that correction be at 10 cents, $1.50? I have no clue. It's hard to do TA on a straight line up. So, yeah, folks, those are my thoughts. Please stay tuned to this channel. Really, I was ringing the alarm bells on MATIC all throughout these ranges here. You have to stay tuned to this channel. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit that bell icon to notify new uploads. If anything interesting further happens with MATIC, we'll definitely be talking about it in our Discord group. Link to join that will be down in the description below. As well, folks, we have a Patreon for those who like what we do and want to support us. We appreciate the hell out of anyone who supports us in whatever way they can, with whether it's just by subscribing, or joining our Patreon. We appreciate all of you. We have different tiers. You know, Messin, the guy I run this channel with, he insisted on giving you guys officer ranks. I wanted to give you guys respectable ranks. You know, I lobbied hard for you guys, but whatever, it is what it is. It's not even a big deal. I don't know why everyone keeps bringing it up. These are the tiers, folks. You know, you get access to our VIP Discord group as well. If you join the higher tier, you'll get an exclusive MATIC t-shirt. So heck yeah. So join, you know, consider joining any of the tiers, and just stay tuned with us. Stay with us, folks, in whatever way possible. We're gonna be breaking down the latest and greatest in terms of crypto all throughout this bull run. And just before I leave you, I also want to mention the Bitcoin dominance chart. Whenever Bitcoin dominance rises, altcoins typically suffer. Whenever it falls, altcoins typically benefit. So it's a good gauge of what the altcoins such as MATIC have within them. If we start to see Bitcoin dominance start to fall and go for that leg down, that should tell you, oh hey, the altcoins are likely to do well right now. But if Bitcoin dominance starts to rally, that should tell you, oh hey, that's going to place the dampers on the altcoin. So folks, those are some of the main takeaways you need to be aware of. Thank you for watching, and take care.